Hey guys, Jamie here. Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. Now I know that some of you have been waiting for this one, so sa wakas, ito na siya guys, our hands-on and first impressions for the Samsung Galaxy A51. So I do have to mention this right off the bat guys, the A51 is a telco exclusive, so pwede siya makuha if mag-apply kayo for a smart signature plan, and I actually don't know if it will be available in store, but I'll let you guys know if things change. Anyway, before we begin guys, just a quick reminder to sub to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. Also, we are running a giveaway for the Samsung Galaxy A71. Everything you need to know is in the description down below. Please follow instruction guys and best of luck. Okay, so with that out of the way, pag-usapan na natin yung Galaxy A51, and first up is build quality and design. The design of the device is very similar to what we've seen from A-series devices from Samsung before in the A50s and of course the A71. It has a glass-thick back with a prism effect and geometric patterns towards the bottom of the phone. Hindi siya the best in terms of build quality, pero Leia and I agree that the A51 and A71 are some of the best looking phones available right now. Case in point guys, we have the Prism Crush Black color variant, and usually when you say black, medyo mas reserved siya or medyo bland siyang tignan, pero that's definitely not the case for these devices. Next up is the display, and alam niyo na guys, para sa category na to, medyo biased kami, so 2 thumbs up for the Samsung Galaxy A51. You have a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a screen-to-body ratio of 87% and 405 pixels per inch. Now, Leia and I have always loved Samsung's displays and think that they're the best in picture quality. So whether kung nanonood kayo ng K-pop videos sa YouTube, as we often show you guys in these videos, or just mindlessly scrolling through your Instagram feed, it'll definitely be an enjoyable experience. It might be a biased opinion guys, but I know that a lot of people agree too. Also, may punch hole siya for the selfie camera, pero alam niyo na, medyo sirang plaka lang ang peg. You get used to it eventually, so it's definitely not an issue for us. Anyway, when it comes to sound quality, the speaker on the bottom is pretty good, just keep it at around 80%, pero meron pa rin naman siyang headphone jack, which we do recommend using most of the time. For the processing package guys, pareho lang sila ng Samsung Galaxy A50s, so it's not much of an upgrade when it comes to this part. You have an Exynos 9611 processor paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, a combo that's still not bad for today's standard. Now, we weren't able to test out the A51 for a long period of time, but I'm guessing that you should be able to game on this phone at medium to low settings for heavier titles, and kung ML ang habol nyo, I'm sure na kaya to mag 60 FPS with high frame rate mode on, since di naman gaano ka-demanding ang Mobile Legends. Now for the cameras, it's pretty much the same setup as the Samsung Galaxy A71. You have 4 cameras on the back, but instead of having a 64-megapixel main camera, 48 lang yung sa A51 and everything is pretty much the same. There's a 12-megapixel ultra-wide angle, a 5-megapixel depth sensor, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. For taking selfies, you also have a 32-megapixel front camera. Again guys, halos pareho lang ang cameras ng A51 and A77, but here are some sample photos for you to check out. Last but not the least guys, let's talk about the battery of this phone. The capacity is 4,000 mAh and on par naman siya sa mga standard na nakita natin sa smartphone ngayon. No benchmark results yet since we didn't have enough time to run tests, but in my experience guys, that should be enough for an entire day. Charging is limited to 15 watts though, so it's not the fastest, pero pwede na. Again guys, the Samsung Galaxy A51 is a telco exclusive, so if you're looking to pick it up, I will leave a link down below for Smart's signature device plans for you to check out. I'm still kind of hoping that things change and they make it available through the Samsung stores or through online, and I will let you know if that changes in the future. And that's pretty much it for this quick video on the Samsung Galaxy A51. Thank you for spending a couple of minutes with me. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try my best to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph. Plus, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Jamie. Peace, God bless, and happy Sunday, guys.